Hello, I'm from Megger and I'd like to introduce you to the TDR1000/3 handheld, portable, time domain reflectometer with a number of unique features. It has already built in a filter for power use. It has a crystal clear backlit display, 4 times more resolution than a standard for this type of product. It has a very short pulse, 2 nanoseconds, to give you the ability to see those close-in faults. It's sealed to IP54. It has an auto feature. It has manual settings built in. It has dual cursors. It has a very simple 4-way switch for operation, and it's ideal for those simple jobs that you need to find a fault quickly.